Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Hotmail or Outlook, keeping your phone number updated is essential for security, account recovery, and receiving important alerts. In today's quick guide, I'll walk you through the fastest and safest way to replace a phone number linked to your Hotmail account. It takes less than 5 minutes, and I'll make every step super easy to follow. So let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to the Outlook login page. Sign in using your Hotmail or Outlook email and password, just like you normally would. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your inbox. Now look at the top right corner. Click on your profile picture. From the drop-down, select My Microsoft Account. This will take you directly to your main Microsoft account dashboard where all your personal and security information is stored. Once the page loads, find and click on your info. This section controls all your identity settings, including your email, phone number, and login preferences. Next, scroll until you find Edit Account Info. Go ahead and open that. Here, you'll see your existing phone number along with an option to add a new one. Click Add Phone Number. Now enter your new number carefully. Microsoft will ask you to verify it. This is for your security. You can choose to receive a verification code either by SMS or by call. Once the code arrives, type it in, confirm, and your new phone number will instantly be added to your account. If your old number is outdated or no longer in use, you can also remove it from the same page to keep your account clean and secure. That's it. Your Hotmail phone number is now successfully updated, and that's the full guide to changing your phone number on Hotmail or Outlook. Quick, simple, and absolutely essential for keeping your account safe. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to drop a like, subscribe for more tech how-to videos, and let me know in the comments what guide you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.